Hi, Cindy here, and I'm out in the forest on this beautiful end of March, gorgeously sunny day, and I'm going to see if I can get a message from my angels and guides for us. I was just standing here a moment ago, just sort of centering myself, and it is absolutely silent. There was a bird here a few moments ago, but he's gone now. But it's so silent here right now. Okay, so I'm going to center myself for a moment and we'll see what message comes through. There is magic in the silence that you don't hear. You hear silence, and we hear an orchestra. The trees around you each emit a fantastic personal sound expression. And when you stand or sit in silence among the trees, you add your personal sound expression to the orchestra of the forest around you. So when a person enters an area of nature and remains still in silence with nature, there is an outburst of music that you are not able to hear yet. However, the animals and the trees and the magical beings around you all listen attentively to this incredible personal orchestra that is very much a signature of your energy vibrating in resonance with, in melody with Mother Nature. So as you stand here in silence, when people take a moment to sit or stand or be in silence with the trees and with nature, the all that is erupts with a siren call of love and appreciation. So when people take a moment to be with nature, it is an action of appreciation. And that appreciation sounds out well beyond the earth and its universe, out into all that is. And this is a burst of love energy that is shared back to all that is and creates something magical on our side of awareness. So when a person is in nature, being in silence and appreciation, the all that is receives a signature of that soul's energy combined with the energy of Mother Earth that creates something brand new on this side of awareness. We experience that appreciation energy each within the soul of every being on this side of awareness in a unique way. It is similar to or relates to giving and receiving a hug. So when a person stands or sits in silence in nature, it is like sending a hug to every soul in all that is. That is the magic of being in stillness in nature. And this hug is received with a love energy that has a beautiful effect on each soul on this side of awareness. Just as hugs in Earth's energy help to align your energies of your soul and your physical body and give you people on Earth a burst of love energy, a clearing of the pathway to flow love energy, something similar happens on our side of the awareness, where this energetic hug that we receive in appreciation from you in nature, being in silence, is an energy that boosts our perception for a moment and gives us a glimpse into your soul's journey in your Earth experience. So it is a magical, beyond your imagination and beyond your understanding way of sharing your soul's journey in your Earth life with every soul in all that is. Now, the souls that you had a connection with in this lifetime receive that boost, that burst, that glimpse, that love energy with even more specialness to it because they had a connection with you in this lifetime. So every soul that is with you in this life, whether still with you or have crossed over, if they are still with you, their higher self receives this burst of love energy, this glimpse, this hug, this appreciation energy. So every time you sit in nature, you share a glimpse of your soul's journey with every soul in all that is, and in a magical, special way, even more so with the souls that you had a connection with and have a connection with in this current life. And this includes the trees, the animals, and Mother Earth herself. I'm not sure what that noise was. Something in a tree, perhaps a bird up there. The silence is profound. Oh, what a beautiful message. I love that message. That by sitting in silence and appreciation in nature, we are able to send a glimpse of our soul's journey, like this appreciation hug with a twist, to every soul and all that is, and especially to those souls that we have a connection with in our current life. And how incredible that is for them, as well as for us. And that includes the trees and the birds and Mother Nature herself and the animals. This whole expansion process that we're going through as we become who we truly are is mind-blowing. The layers upon layers upon layers of magic and just incredible exchanges of energy. That this idea that we are all one, that we are all connected, is hugely more intricate and more layered and more powerful than I think any of us understand. Wow. And I feel like it's now this new understanding that I have, that I can come out here and I can share a little burst of love energy, a little glimpse of my soul's journey with my mom who's crossed over, and just have this moment. I mean, nature has always sort of been a point of connection for me between our world and the other side of awareness. But now to know that there's this more intimate connection with every soul in all that is through this practice, like, that is just so incredibly beautiful. Okay. Thank you so much for sharing your love energy here with me in this space. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you have a fantastic day.